let's actually also open our development environment. Okay, let's close this out because we can make new windows here. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I'm in command mode. You know what? Joke's on me for learning two tools. We'll just stick to two terminals right now. I tried to learn HTMX and NeoVim at the same time. As you can tell, like, just an example of just trying to learn everything all at once. So on one hand, we'll do we'll go to our and we'll open an nvim. Make sure everything's working. Oh, no, okay. Nvim dot, so we have the tree open. There we go, cool. And open our first template, which I think we're on the to-dos page right now. So to do. Like the very first thing, first of all, let's also go to go and air. Okay, we could leave that running in the background. And if we change this, I mean, we're basically at like a hello world level right now, but let's try and append change, and this should automatically update, right? How's the server doing? Do we need to change the Go file? No, okay. So we know the server's good. Just make sure it's not something to do with a specific task. Like task. Task status options. Okay. Why? This should be updating to task list. I believe so. So let's see. We got a. Well, okay. Error is not hot reload, and that's just we get all the logs for navigating to different pages, which is what these things are. But I'm not sure if we're supposed to be hot reloading. So, I mean, we have to. Let's see, if we just restart the server, this definitely changes, right? No, okay, so it's not even a problem with air. It looks like. It's just, maybe it's a, are we in the right place? This is crazy. It's like these, it's like this file isn't being registered as saved, even though it is saved. So, yeah, let's see. This might be like a terrible quality air config, but, let's see, my air config should be in here, right? Or, what is air? Is air just a file? Cat. Oh my gosh. Okay, jeez. It's a symlink at least. Or no, it's not a symlink. Okay, cool. Thanks. Air dot. Maybe I don't have this. Oh, do I need to? Okay, that's stupid. Maybe I just don't have air running correctly. There should be a toml file here. I know what you mean. I think I know what you're talking about. It just doesn't show up. Let's make sure it's not hidden. Oh no, it is hidden. Okay, I'm not that dumb. Sorry, false alarm. So cat. Okay, let's see. So rebuild options. Rerun equals false. That's weird. Okay, I just used the default configuration, but it seems like rerun should be true. So that's weird that it didn't even that it didn't even occur to me that people would use air and not want to rerun. Now what happens if we air? And completely refresh this. The other thing is that it's like we're running a new server, so I'm very hesitant to say this fixed it because we should be able to edit the file like status of all the tasks, and I'm pretty confident I'm editing the header right now. Let's save that. Let's even quit out of the file. I And air should definitely be reloading. Maybe it's just not detecting. It's watching all the folders. I'm not. Ah, okay. So yeah, Templ. That definitely makes sense. Okay. Okay, I know what you mean now. Yeah, gotcha. Cool. So Templ generate. This is probably what you mean as like where the command is. Okay. I'm not sure if there's another command. Let's make sure there's not. And I should. Okay, let's see how this works. Templ not found. Maybe? Okay, I have to. I thought I was prepared, so. But GitHub go Templ. Because I have to install Templ globally on my. Go Humble? I thought it was built by AH. Yeah, AH Templ. Here we go. This one. I need to install this on my globally on my machine. Okay, so I'm guessing it doesn't give you the. It doesn't tell you, but you need to clone it first, and then you need to run that local build. Let's do it. Let's make go. Oh, sorry. My bad. It's blurring that out for me. I'm not sure if it is for you. But I should be able to Templ.guide. Thanks. Sorry. Yeah, I gotta change that because I'm just using the stream defaults, and that wasn't Templ.guide. Okay. Oh, okay. This is much easier. Because I'm not concerned 8-H is a hacker, so. Usually I'm okay without building the local binaries, especially since Templ's just so widely used. So can we do Templ now? Yeah, perfect. Okay, so what about air? Okay, just make sure to. Very easy. One thing I'm very, very happy with is Go's just the environment around, community around Go, because that was just like the easiest package upgrade in my entire life. I don't know, it was like less than 2 seconds. It's crazy. Okay, so it's watching all these files, and it says home Templ Go has changed. Perfect. We're good. This is just beautiful. Thank you so much. Exactly. Coming from JavaScript, I never actually had huge build tools issues. I mean I did, but I know how to solve them. So I'm underestimating how difficult it is for someone new to get around that. But it's pretty infuriating and slow. So not that I guess I can deal with it, but this is just such a breath of fresh air. Let's enter this one, and let's actually try and insert and save this, and make sure air is reloading. Does it not need to reload if I'm not even the... Just make sure this is the most recent version. No, it doesn't have the 2 exclamation points. No! Sorry, it's :W. You close out the file, cover all our bases. Air should still be hot reloading, and it isn't getting our beautiful exclamation points. So let's see. Maybe the Templ docs has an issue for this. Or it seems pretty common. Hot reload. There we go. Cool. Templ generate must be run, and HTTP listen and serve must be run. Okay, air config. Let's do this. Thanks so much. Sorry to be... I thought I was gonna be prepared. So Templ generate and Go build. And main.go should run. So let's split screen this a little bit. Main.go is main.go should be running the it should be running the thing that Templ needs. e.start 8082 go.new server. Make sure I spell generate right, because I'm not above like stupid errors from typos. Oh yeah, okay. Exclude, let's see. Where's the Templ directory? Because it's excluding all .tmpl extensions. Maybe is that an issue? exclude directory .tmp. First of all, let's see what mine is. I have a TMP directory. I don't think I have a TMPL directory. Gotcha. Yeah. Hey, okie dokie. Glad you could join us. Okay. Get back into air.templ and okay, let's get right to Templ, TMPL. Okay, because there's so many ways Templ is spelled, it looks like. Okay, so this is what you mean by line 9. Sorry, there we go. Okay, I just got confused where we were looking. Let's see. Does error? I have relative line numbers up that that confuses everyone. So, including myself. But we got a different file has changed now. Error 401 Templ has changed. Let's see if I mean, we should get all the exclamation points back. Let's just bring this back to normal status, try and save it, and see what we get. We get hot reloading. This is beautiful. Yeah, dude. I mean, I'm so much. It would be so much more of a grind. I'm so appreciative that you're here, because I mean, this would be a nightmare. But look, we should be good to at least start coding, which happened like, I don't know, even almost half an hour later than usual. But thank you so much. This is hopeful. I guess I shouldn't count my chickens before. We should check that it's actually reloading. One thing I do like about Node is that like I don't have to actually refresh the page to have. Well, let's see. We shouldn't need to do that, right? Because we've just been restarting the server a bunch of times. But if we save this, maybe we don't actually need to refresh the page. It's not a huge deal if we do, though. That's what some JavaScript frameworks do well. But no, this is so much better than just like having to restart the server every time. So this is great. This is progress to me as well. This is just getting to know a build tool. I thought it was suspiciously too easy already. Right, you need to refresh the page because the server is sending the page to you. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Wait. That makes so much sense when you think about it. Server-driven updates. Okay. Well, I've had server rendered HTML with Next and stuff like that. So I think there are some neurotic servers that just like force reload and resend requests to your local development client. But yeah, that definitely seems like a much more complicated advanced development tool. This is much better. Let's see if we can get just the web client looked at for a second. Sorry for the flash ping. We want our app to not be a to-do list, which is, I know, unkosher for HTMX, but let's start by creating a notification group, I think. And let's call this, like, I guess, just for the sake of simplicity, let's call it we have this usernames task list. Let's make it the usernames notification group. Uh-oh. Login, home, and error keep changing on an infinite loop. This is a little concerning. So we might need to exclude some files, because I don't want our error frame, like error server, to every loader. I mean, I don't exactly know what to call it, but I don't want it to keep doing this. So let's see, what are the 3 files that keep changing? Home and error. Templ.gov. Okay, that I would have been confused with how you do the wildcard there, but yeah, thanks for setting that up. Thanks for putting that there. I got like 90% of the way, but let's exclude. They have a nice handy regular expression. For us. Oh, okay, yeah, we don't even need the wildcard. And then let's change something, moment of truth. Let's call this message list. Let's call this like read status. And we can get rid of the third table head. Just make sure that isn't anything cool. Yeah, we can get rid of it. And then that just means we need to get rid of the comment out this. This has so much good HTMX though, I don't want to comment it out. So actually let's add back in the let's add back in the table head. Just say delete or actions. And of course, restart the air server, right? It's running. Okay. Message list read status actions. Okay. Cool. Okay, we have I think we're good on the air server. We're good, we're getting logs and everything, and we're not infinitely reloading, so we can make this full screen finally. And maybe zoom in a little bit.